Most people think success is about working 14 hours a day until you burn out. Have you noticed there are a few people who work just half and achieve much more? In fact, 10 times more. Why? Because success isn't just about hustle, it's about frequency. In numerology, 21 is a very powerful number. It adds to 3. 2 plus 1, 3, which is a number of Jupiter, represents expansion, growth, and infinite wealth. Today, I'm gonna share a 21-day portal for you, wealth activation portal, how you can align your energies, align your success, align your wealth energies in just 21 days. This isn't just a routine, it is a strategic energy alignment. If you genuinely feel stuck in activation of money, activation of success, then you should just follow these three simple tricks and achieve utmost success. The first and the foremost being the command position, desk alignment. Where you sit defines how much you will get success, how much you will achieve. Some people sit while having doors and windows at their back. That's not alignment. If you genuinely want to be aligned with the frequency, with the energy, with the five elements, then the first thing that you need to follow is you have to be watchful where you are sitting. You ought to sit where there is no window behind you. There has to be a fixed wall made out of bricks. Having a window behind drains your energy. Having a door behind drains your energy. It tells your subconscious mind that whatever energy you are creating in this room is going away. So, all you need to do is align yourself and sit in a power position. Now, the power position is when you face northeast direction and you sit while having a brick wall behind you. Suppose in your organization it is difficult. So, all you need to do is follow manifestation. You have to visualize that you are sitting in a power position every day. And how do you have to do that? You have to draw this. So, take a white paper and draw a northeast direction and you sitting in south direction facing the north direction and having a brick wall behind you. While doing that, all you need to do is wherever you are sitting in your office, just stick that paper right in front of you. While you do that, you all the time have to keep gazing at that picture that you have drawn from your hands. Simultaneously, take one more paper and write the code 808 and circle it. You have to do it with a green color pen. While you do that and paste that paper also, every day you have to gaze at both the papers. What will happen with this? You will raise the vibrational energy, raise the frequency of success. Because this will ensure that your mind is tuned towards success. Number 808 represents infinite flow of resources. So, whatever you will do, whatever you will think, whichever transaction you're gonna make, sitting in that room, sitting in that power position, everything will materialize in your favor. Number 2, Mercury water activation. Business and cash flows are governed by number 5 in numerology, which is associated with planet Mercury. If you genuinely want speed, if you genuinely want growth, if you genuinely want expansion, you ought to activate the energy of Mercury. How you can do that? Every day, for 2 hours a day, for next 21 days, you take one green color bottle, as green is the color associated with Mercury. So, green glass water bottle, you have to fill that with water and put that in sunlight. After 2 hours, every day, start drinking that water. While you are sitting on your power position while you are following for those 21 days that visualize technique of facing northeast and sitting. All your deals or your closures will happen in these 21 days. Whichever situation you might be in, it will get expansion. You will be able to find solutions for yourself. As we all know, communication is the power of success. For next 21 days, in order to speak well, in order to close the deals, drink this water. Activate your Mercury energy. And how you can do that effectively is following this daily for 21 clear days. This will not only sharpen your memory, this will also ensure that you achieve real success, real decision making power. You're not just drinking water, you're actually consuming the frequency of success. Number 3, the Vak Siddhi morning ritual, morning scripting. Manifestation works when you command the universe. This is what is called Vak Siddhi, when your word becomes law. Every morning, as soon as you wake up, chant this word, chant this sentence while looking at your palms. I am successful. I am the best. More than this, every morning, also follow this one powerful technique, which is that before you touch your phone, before you do anything else, start journalizing. With a green color pen, write one affirmation in a positive sentence, thanking the universe about your financial achievement. For example, thank you, universe, for making me earn rupees this much, whatever is the amount, every month. I am generating this much revenue every month. Thank you. Shukrana. Write this 21 times every day with a green color pen in your journal. Don't just write it, feel the weight of the pen. In numerology, writing is the act of anchoring air, thought into earth, reality. Doing this for continuous period of 21 days aligns your mind, rewire your mind to look for newer opportunities that can fulfill your desire, convert your desire into reality of earning this much amount of money every month. Remember, wealth is not a destination. It is a decision. You have all the means. You have all the tools. All you need is commitment. Commitment to yourself, commitment to the universe. Aligning yourself with the frequency of the universe. So no more delay, no more delaying your success. Start today. Affirm. Write in the comment below that I am in alignment with the universe. I am ready for this 21-day success. I am ready to rewire my brain to attract success. And if you want to know which specific numbers are blocking your success, blocking your career, blocking your growth, then you may connect with me for one-on-one session for success, alignment, growth. And you may do that by clicking on the link in the bio. I am Isha Lakhwani and I am here to align your energy with the universe and to decode your destiny.